Boozing reviews and
All right, we're boozing reviews and live reviews. We're down here in Liquid Noise, Marysville, Pennsylvania. We're on a little bit of a booze cruise, and don't worry, we have a driver. I'm going to fire up their number 11. It's called Coltrane. It's a Schwartz beer. Full flavored dark lager with roasty, nutty, and chocolate notes. There it is. Check it out. Or better yet, come see these guys down here. Setup's cool. They got tons of tanks. Kind of industrial looking place. One chug's the rule.
Pretzel bites and then the half plate of both your right.
yep, thank you.
Definitely roasty, definitely nutty, definitely a little chocolate on the back end. The roast hits you in the front. Solid brew. Solid brew. Plus it's black as night, my favorite.
Oh, that's cool.
Boy. Did you get one of them?
Yeah, I did.
Good thing you did. You did too?
Yep.
Yeah, good thing you did. That's a 7-9 all day.